It's crazy news. I can't believe that this has happened, but Polkadot has started to rethink their parachains, which if you guys that have followed this channel for a while, the only reason why we really invested was the parachains. So what does this mean for the future of Polkadot? I'm just going to read through the news here to keep you updated and give you guys the full context. Then we'll take a look at the Polkadot ecosystem, and then we'll have a look at the Bitcoin price. So the first thing, Polkadot's founder Gavin Wood proposes to overhaul the new network allocated resources in a plan to be dubbed Polkadot 2.0. Now, to explain this in simple terms, guys, this basically means that Polkadot's founder, Gavin Wood, wants to rethink the whole way that Polkadot allocates its money, right? Its money, its manpower, its overall resources. Polkadot is an enterprise. It has different entities and tons of things going on. And he's now starting to rethink, okay, how am I using this? Am I using this correctly? And he's dubbing it Polkadot 2.0. During the fourth edition of its annual Decoded conference in June, Wood waxed philosophical at times as he explains his versions for Polkadot's ecosystem's evolution as a network of sovereign chains connected to Fretty-like accords. Now, guys, I just want to have a quick rant here and just say that the reason why Polkadot doesn't pump is for this exact sake that they use too complicated language. They talk about philosophical at times and likely accords and stuff like that. God, nobody speaks like that anymore, right? Nobody even speaks like that, right? What they're basically saying is that Gavin Wood is brainstorming with these guys and saying with them like, look, you know, I'm trying to figure out the future of this company, right? And Polkadot's voyage of discovery, Wood says, quoting a French novelist, whoever this guy is not unlike Ethereum's, right? A project also he co-founded. So what he's trying to say here is that Polkadot needs to become like Ethereum. Now, if you guys understand how Ethereum makes money, basically what Ethereum does is you pay the gas on the network. There's different coins that run on that network. And the reason why Polkadot works is because it's like tax, right? The more that you use these tokens on the network, you have to pay the tax to Ethereum in Ethereum. So that means you have to do what? Buy Ethereum, and that's what pumps the token. Now, Polkadot doesn't have this effect because nobody uses the actual parachains yet that it's on. So nobody's actually paying gas to that extent in which you can see the gas that's being paid out of Ethereum. Now, without reading through the rest of this, because I think it's quite boring, I want to explain to you the difference between where Polkadot started and where it's currently at, right? Today's price of Polkadot is down around 90% at about a $7 billion market cap. Now, there was one interesting thing that they also discussed, right? And this is the fact that Akala, which was the first parachain on Polkadot, won a bid for $32 million, worth about $1.3 billion. And just 9 months later, which is July 2022, which was, well, about 2 weeks ago, right? Another project was awarded only 55 grand, right? This is Daria Network for just $9,900. 55 grand compared to the $1.3 billion, right? If you're a CEO and you're seeing this difference, regardless of the market, you fucked up. It's as simple as that. And in my opinion, it's because Polkadot do not understand how to market. Let me know, guys, what your opinions are about Polkadot. Are you still investing? What do you feel that Polkadot is good at? And what do you feel that Polkadot is bad at and needs to improve? Maybe the team will actually have a look at this and pick something up, right? I want to show you this as well. So interestingly enough, Polkadot have been working on something. They have been working on, you know, their marketing a little bit. You're starting to see a lot more social media presence about it. They actually have, you know, a few educational posts and videos. But guys, if you've watched any of these videos, you will understand precisely why Polkadot is not doing nothing, because these are boring. Like, they're actually boring pieces of content, right? And for a company of its size, it should not only be getting 100 views on its channel. It just shouldn't, right? My videos should not be getting more videos than Polkadot itself. That should just not be happening, right? So there's definitely a discrepancy in not only the technology department, in my opinion, but also in the marketing department as well, as you're seeing, right? From the technology side, even though the market's gone down, the market's down probably 80%, their thing has gone down way more than that in terms of Polkadot parachains and stuff like that. Nobody is interested. People should still be interested in Polkadot parachains because it should still be making some kind of money, or should have some general interest. Everybody's moved on to invest in Pepe and meme coins, right? And you can see this in the Polkadot ecosystem. However, a lot of the old tokens that have launched in the ecosystem, like Gala, Moonbeam, they've got money now. Hopefully they've managed that correctly. So they should still be doing well. But if we look at the overall ecosystem at the moment, you can simply check it out for yourself as well at coinmarketcap.com/view/Polkadot ecosystem. You can see that in the past 7 days, it's not been too bad, right? For the tokens that are in there, you've got Beastly up 127%. Nobody knows what that is. Comp is pretty good, right? Solar is okay. You've got Bounce token, Cares, ShopX, big up ShopX. They're doing okay, up 30%. Kilt Protocol, Affinity, and plenty of other tokens that are doing pretty well inside of the ecosystem. Tokens that are getting the most volume, we're seeing like Chainlink's doing all right. Obviously, Dot's picking up in volume due to the overall market. So the ecosystem, in terms of the tokens that are there, are doing well. Obviously, what Gavin's saying is that they're not really working together yet where he wants it to be. So there is an issue on the tech side, but if you're somebody that's thinking, okay, what does that mean for my Moonbeam? What does that mean for my Gala? Well, the ecosystem as a whole is working well because these guys work separately. Now, in terms of the market and the price of Bitcoin, everything is pretty simple in this area. Nothing really is going crazy. I'll pull up the chart here, but you can see that even though we are having higher lows in each section, so we've got obviously the bottom, which you guys probably all missed, then we have a higher low, and a higher low. So you can confirm that we do have a lot of strength, and we are in a bull market here. This is something that you do have to accept. Even if we drop 30% from here, we're still in a bull market. 18%, even if we go down 30 or 37%, we're still in a bullish market, right? Plenty of times before we have dropped below the 200 EMA and came back up in 2 years before the BTC halving. If you don't understand that, then you guys need to go check out my channel, because in the last video I explained why we are inside a bull market.
Today I'm going to be giving you
giving you a clear strategy, a clear 4-step strategy for you to get in the market, make money in the market, and leave with some type of profit from this market as well, with 4 simple steps. Whether that means you make money by a business, whether that means you make money by some assets, you will leave the next 5 years having profited by watching this video, I guarantee it. Now, in terms of the short-term price updates, right now it's pretty simple, right? You wanna stay calm. Let me make it clear for you. There you go. You wanna stay calm, and you wanna wait for a decision from Bitcoin, right? So if you're already in a trade, if you're in a short, well done for you, because we have rejected off of this cloud, even though we are very bullish here with the cross going on. Below the cloud, 200 EMA moving through the cloud. This is very bullish from a weekly standpoint. But on the short term, we are looking bearish, like this might actually become a resistance. And we're struggling to break into the cloud. Usually, it does take 2 attempts to get into the cloud. So what that means is that we could see a short pullback if we go onto the daily time frame of about, I think it's, what's that, about 5%? Yeah, about 6%. On a short-term pullback, if we do break this low that we have set in. Because if you look at it on a real short-term frame, and this is exactly how you want to work with trading, right? Look big, zoom out, maybe you zoom out past the weekly, zoom to the monthly or whatever, get a long-term strategy. As you can see, watch the last video, you have a long-term strategy, and then look for your entries on the short-term time frame. On the short term, we are at the bottom of this range here, it's very clear to see, and if we break that, then you're going to see the pullback into this range here, or the previous range we see in off the daily. So yeah, nothing stressful. If you're looking for short term, obviously you want to take that risk, you should have longed about here. If you're looking to short, I would wait for another pull up into this range here, maybe on a short term short. And that's about it, guys. Make sure that you do have a long-term mindset. And I'm going to leave you with some advice if you do want to become successful inside of this crypto market. And that is understanding patience and having a long-term vision, not only with yourself and where you see yourself in the future, but also where you see your investments. And if you have that vision and you can write it down clearly, okay, in 5 years, I want to be able to travel around the world, be independent with my finances. Then you know, okay, I need to be able to learn how to manage my finances, and I need to make enough money to travel, right? If you want to have a multi-million pound crypto portfolio, then what tokens are you investing in? What is your strategy for going ahead further? And then, my friend, you will have plenty and plenty of success. And if you do want to learn how to make money online, and you want to understand how to do side hustles, how to have a business that will pay you infinite amounts for doing the exact same thing, I want to show you this. I want to show you our Discord, which you can join. The link for that is in the description. And inside of this Discord, you will learn everything that you need to know. Let's pull it up here. You're going to know how to make money online, doing reselling, which you can see here, right, where you resell clothes for a profit. You're also going to learn social media marketing, right? You can see here, 8 proposals. Harley closed his first client, right? He's going to make $800 a month, sending out 8 proposals in 1 day. So in 1 day, he's already making another $800 a month. And you can also learn drop shipping, where my little cousin made £3,000 in the last 90 days when he posted that. And you can learn all of this for free, completely for free. People are having success every single day. And then we're going to use this money where you can join another group where we can invest the profits into the market. So not only are we going to teach you how to invest for completely for free, we're also going to teach you how to make money completely for free. Because at the end of the day, my goal is to create multiple millionaires and show people a different path to the 9 to 5. All you have to do is literally head over to the link inside this video's description. If we check the last video, you'll see it as well. The link inside of this description, there's a Discord link called the Side Hustle Club. That is the Side Hustle Club. Click that link, you'll get access to the Discord, and then all you have to do is follow the steps that I give you. You don't have to add any more brain smarts. It doesn't take anything. All you do is copy the tasks I give you, and you, my friend, will make money. You will make money, you will start a business, and you will take that first step on your journey to becoming a successful entrepreneur. So thank you very much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you haven't already, make sure you do subscribe and check out my channel. Peace.